Man, this is interesting right here. So it looks like a lot of sheriffs in Texas are actually asking truck drivers not to come to Texas February 3rd because if they come here, this is going to give the opportunity for the cartel to do what they do best. And they don't want that. They feel like it's going to actually help the bad and not the good. They need to head to Washington, D.C. What's going on, Mutha Truckers? Welcome to Mutha Trucker News. Emails at muthatruckernews@gmail.com. So now it looks like the convoy is starting. You know, we're tallying up the numbers still. But this was very interesting because this comes from the Texas sheriffs to the truckers convoy heading to the border. It says, quote unquote, don't come to Texas. Now, it seems that the sheriffs do respect and thanks the truck drivers for wanting to come to Texas, but they believe that they should be driving their trucks to New York and Washington, D.C. and go where people makes the rules and regulations. That's what they are saying. You know, they're saying that basically Texas sheriffs and some residents have messaged for truckers convoy scheduled to come to the Texas border on February 3rd. Don't come. Organizers of the Take Our Borders Back Southern Border Convoy and three-state rally are calling on all active and retired law enforcement, military, veterans, mama bears, elected officials, business owners, ranchers, truckers, bikers, media, and law-abiding, freedom-loving Americans to travel to rural, hard-to-reach areas near Eagle Pass, Texas, Yuma, Arizona, and from California. The convoy is expected to following a route from Virginia Beach, south through Jacksonville, Florida, and west along I-10 to Houston, south on Highway 35 from San Antonio, which Texas sheriffs note are major corridors and criminals that could capitalize on these efforts. So very interesting. They're thinking that while this is happening, you know, the cartel and all that is going to start doing all their stuff, you know, so this is not going to help them, they say. So overall, they just truly believe that, you know, at the end of the day, they should be going to Washington, D.C., and that's where the real fight is. You know, going here will not help. They said the convoy would be better off showing up on streets of New York City or Washington, D.C. So it says the convoy will impede law enforcement efforts that have been targeting 18-wheeler and other truck drivers smuggling people from the border. And he and others say will, quote unquote, increase traffic, especially commercial vehicle traffic, works to the benefits of smuggling organizations. Wow. So they're saying don't come because it's not going to be good. And the cartel, they're going to benefit from this. So what are your thoughts, truck drivers? Should they actually be heading to Washington, D.C. instead of Texas? Comment down below.